Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert image by URL in Google Drive. So if you want to insert your image using URL, maybe there's a particular image you want to copy from internet and you seems not to know how to do that. You can just simply copy the URL to that particular image from the internet. Once you do that, then come down here, tap on insert, then you scroll your mouse, then place it on the image, then from there you tap on by URL. Then right here you're going to provide the URL of the particular image you want to insert to your slide. Once you provide the URL, then you tap on insert the URL. This engine actually, this URL engine will automatically generate the image of the particular URL, and that is how to insert image using URL. Find it helpful, like and follow for more.